What's up? Just another vlog, another day. Weather's trash, but we need it. Going to the bank, and then we're going to the gym, and then we're going to the store so we can meal prep. Alright, show you what I got. You know, you saw the sushi, got some onions, got some sweet potatoes for the pups, and what y'all know about this? Huh? That's the real truth right here, guys. This is what the government doesn't want you drinking, because they want all of you to have low tests and, you know. And we got some eggs and meats and stuff in there. So. Working right there. Whew! Just got done at the gym now. Did about 46 minutes on the Stairmaster and like 3 sets of abs or 4 sets of abs, and that's all I can do right now. We had a full leg day yesterday. If you saw the vlog from yesterday, me and Junior went to the gym, did some legs, but man, it's time to go back, eat a meal, and just meal prep. So the good news is I got my clutch cable for the Harley. All right, let's open her up. See what we're working with. Shit, pretty. Let's see. Nice. I'm gonna show you guys over here what we got. But yeah, I got the pearl black. It's pretty nice. I think it's gonna match the bike really well. Got a better little soft on it too. There's the sun a little bit. Let's see if we can get a little glare sparkle in there. But yeah, it's the Harley clutch cable. Finally got it in, so probably gonna install that today or tomorrow. And for today's meal prep, we got a little teriyaki salmon with rice and broccoli. You know, keeping it simple. I don't go too crazy all the time, but you know, this is one of my favorite salmon. Can't ever go wrong with it. So yeah, I'm about to eat that. Sauteing onions, getting ready for the meal prep. We got the fucking turkey. We got the dog food. We got chicken, and I'm about to add carrots to it. So they're about to get chicken and carrots for dinner. Well, this is about done. Got the turkey about done. Their food's almost done, and the rice. We got a few more minutes, so we're pretty much set to go. And one more ingredient I'm gonna add, I forgot to mention, and it's gonna be ginger. Super good, super awesome. Gives you a whole bunch of antioxidants, real good for you. So we're about to grind that up and throw it in there. Oop. Got sidetracked with this Harley over here. Oh, here's the bolt. There's the bolt that was lost in the bike. We got Lino here behind the camera. We're gonna try to put this clutch cable on real quick. So that's what we're doing right now. Just take the exhaust off, and I'm gonna take the transmission cover off, and then the clutch is right under there. Right there. That's what we're getting into. So we're gonna take all that off right here, take that O-ring off, take the clutch out and put the new one in there.
We have here the ramp. And every time you press the clutch, you see the movement? Huh? Okay, so we have this right now. I think one of the bearings was out because
maybe the little ball was out of place. That's what we probably popped out of place pulling that shit, didn't we?
Yeah.
Here is the old cable. Trash. But look at the difference, guys. It's a 4-inch difference. See the difference in that? Because we had the 8 bars on there, which are right here. You know, and we can't rock with this, guys. Guys, we're not doing that, okay? So here we are with the new clutch cable.
Adjusters.
Yeah, I showed them earlier when I got it in the mail. This shit, look at the difference, how sleek this is. So we checked the transmission fluid and we're about to go get some now because it's a little low. We're gonna take a little ride on the KTM.
Got that little loaner.
You get the loaner and then the R7. So kids at the AutoZone. Damn, that bitch is crispy.
It's clean.
You look good on it.
It's maybe my future bike.
You like it? Damn. Damn, man. That's what you get for you picked that one. But you had the option to pick like 7 helmets, bro. Guys. Is this it or what? Is this the stuff?
Look at this guy.
Is this it or what?
It is.
Is he lying?
It is what it is. It's a Harley.
Okay, bro. She just takes anything. Just give her what she takes, right? Alright. It's kind of a shit show out here now. Look at that. Look at this guy over here. Look at him. He looks happy on that thing. There you go, Bubba. That's my Bubba. Do something. So we have to jump her because she's been sitting too long. But look at this clutch cable. Look at that. Would you see? Do you see that? That is butter. Y'all Harley guys know what's up. Like, I know you know that most of the time it's not butter, so I know, appreciate that. Look at it, smooth. Coming down. Looking good, looking good.
Looking good. Down there.
What do you guys think? Does she sound good or what? Anyways, the update on the Harley is that the ramp, the clutch ramp inside, something wrong with it. The bearings keep coming out and it's like locking up my clutch, so yup. Done with the Harley, done with the meal preps for tomorrow, and now we got a breeding with Taz. We're gonna go grab Taz and we'll be on the way. We got the buddy loaded up. Say what's up, Bubba. Alright guys, we'll see you in a little bit. We got Taz here now. We're gonna do the breeding. He already freaking out. He can smell her. There we go.
God damn, he got a big ass head. Shit, she really about it. He ain't too much bigger than her though. Just the head and the part right there.
He a little taller than her too.
But body mass, yeah, he a little bit motherfucker big.
I'm ready, Bob.
Come here, buddy.
You could put the muzzle on her? You trying to stick her?
She go.
Yeah. Bring her rear end around.
Oh yeah, Zelda. It is Zelda.
Yeah, just as soon as you start going, I got him. Turn around. Stand over. Stand over. Oh, what the nigga up there? No. He just gotta get him locked up.
Taz. Kind of give him that POV, you know what I'm saying? We got 5 mLs, so that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna run right here. It was a workout, guys. Yeah, about to be. I just started vlogging. Look at that dog right there. We just want to see what the red line in the blood, if it adds bones to the dogs, because they already got red line in it.
I'm gonna call you back, man. Make these dogs. I'm gonna call you back. Answer. You told that?
What are you doing? But he was over there bitching about how he thinks that the ADBA needs to stop calling the dogs bullies.
Bullies, right. He trying to get he trying to get back to it.
He will, bro. He'll lock right back up if he could. Yeah. We got the real killer. And we made it home, right, buddy? Oops, sorry. Sorry, buddy. Isn't he a pretty boy? But yeah, I'm about to get to editing. I'm gonna be working on the garage tomorrow. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Help support the video, help me going. So y'all have a good night or good morning whenever you're watching the video. But peace out.